Meaning of double-jointed.
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 Double-jointed. Double-jointed is a term used to describe an individual with joints that are more flexible than usual. Specifically, it refers to a person whose ligaments and tendons allow their joints to move beyond the normal range of motion. As a result, they can perform contortions and stretches that might be difficult or impossible for others. However, the term is actually a misnomer, as there is no such thing as having two joints in one place. Instead, the flexibility of double-jointed individuals is due to their skeletal structure and muscular system.